Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm removing the front door speakers on the 2018 Nissan Sentra SR. And so if you have the Nissan Sentras ranging from the 2013 to 2019, then this video should be it for you. And since I bought these speakers off Crunchfield, shout out Crunchfield by the way. No affiliations with them, they're just awesome. They gave me a very detailed guide on how to remove these speakers off this exact model of car. And I'm going to be including those pictures on the screen when it's necessary. So if you want to pause it and look at it more. And removing the door panel on the Sentra is incredibly easy. There's literally 3 trims to remove. As you guys just saw, I just removed the sail trim, and now you guys just saw me removing the door handle trim, and it's pretty much all done. And one thing I really suggest is you guys go get yourself a pair of trim tools. You can get them relatively anywhere, AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, and they're like $5 to $7. And also, you guys could use a flathead screwdriver. It's just highly frowned upon, and I really don't suggest it, but you guys can. And if you do use a flathead screwdriver, I suggest putting a piece of cardboard underneath the flathead so you don't damage the surrounding plastic trims. And now by this point, we're pretty much all set to remove the door panel. There's a couple clips holding it in, but those clips are pretty easy to pop out. You should be able to pop them out by hand. And some of the clips I had a little bit of struggle with popping them out by hand, so I had to bring out the old reliable trim tool. But other than that, it's pretty easy. And after you got all the clips popped out, at this point, it should just be free to come out. All you gotta do is just lift it up, and it should just come right out. And now by this point, we're pretty much all done, guys. All we gotta do is just remove the 3 Phillips head screws that are holding in the speaker itself, and then we can remove the wiring harness that's actually attached to the speaker. While there's various different ways on how to attach the speaker to your system, I went with using a custom wiring harness that attaches to my speaker harness, my factory speaker harness that is. But of course, the very simple alternative that I very well could have done would just be stripping the wires that are connected to the factory speaker harness, which is just 2 wires, a positive and a negative. And then by that point, you can simply just wrap those wires around the speaker terminal, solder them if you want, wrap them with electrical tape if you want, or just, leave them hanging, or, buy some type of crimp connectors that you can just, crimp the wire to it and then just snap it on, similar to the ones that come with the custom wire harness. And do whatever you want, but of course, soldering will be the top tier. I mean, the crimp or solder would be better. Electrical tape will probably be like C tier, and just wrapping it around and leaving it is probably not gonna result in the longest lasting outcome. But thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it that you guys made it this far. And any thoughts or criticisms is very greatly appreciated down below. And if you guys can leave a sub, that would be awesome.